Okay, this is Kitty and Benjamin trying to make sense of bubbles. Oops, I didn't get any. Hold on. Let's try it again. Neither one of you know what to think. Ready? Oops. There we go. Uh-oh. Kitty, what are you gonna do? Kitty, what's the kitty doing? Ah, crap. There we go. Oh dear. Ben, I think you understand the bubbles more than Kitty. Oh dear. Alright, let's try it again. Ready? Alright, ready? Yeah! Alright, let's try it again. Oop, don't bat Benjamin. Don't bat Ben. Okay.